Hi, I'm Glen Southern, and if you like creating your art in new and innovative ways, then consider joining our channel. I cover a wide range of topics, including digital sculpting on the iPad, VR sculpting with Gravity Sketch and Adobe Medium, and of course, we've been training the granddaddy of digital sculpting software, ZBrush, for over 20 years now. Whether you're a complete beginner, or you're just considering a career in the digital sculpting industry, or if you're already in the industry and you just want to try something a little bit different, then I'm sure we've got something for you. If this is the kind of content that helps you learn, then give a video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so we can let you know when we upload new content, which is on a Wednesday and a Friday.